So what CRM should a new mortgage broker use? CRMs is one of those things that everybody wants to know. They feel like they need to have a great CRM when they're becoming an advisor. And everybody asks me this question. And honestly, I don't know why they ask it that much. I really wish they didn't, because it's not necessary. It's not needed. And I'm going to break that down for you in this video, because I think that there's a lot of misinformation out there around this type of stuff. And hopefully I can just put your mind at rest. So the first thing you need to know about this is, if you are becoming self-employed or employed, doesn't really matter, the network or the employer you have is going to provide you with their own CRM. They're going to do it. You don't need to worry about it. That kind of, you could end the video at this point. They'll be fine. You don't need to worry about the CRM at all. Okay. They're going to provide you with it. It's going to be part of your network fee. Each network will have its own provided CRM that it uses. There are different ones. You can have 360 Lifecycle. You can have Acre. You can have Platform. You can have Toolbox. There's loads of different ones out there. And they're all fine. Your Iris, you've got Xplan, you've got Trigold, all these different ones. And they're all fine, and they're all good, and they all serve their purpose. They are what I'd say is known as a compliance CRM. And they are where you can upload cases to, and they will be provided to you. And that will have your sourcing in it. It will have software that you can source for mortgages. It might have affordability sourcing as well. Things like Mortgage Brain, for example, is going to have Affordability Brain next to it. Again, these will all make sense if you ever use that software. If you haven't used that software and you don't have it in your computer, in your company, don't worry about it. Again, it's a lot of FOMO. Don't worry at all. Now, the other thing, like I said, there is you don't need to worry about the others. The others are irrelevant. You just need to worry about the tool you actually have. Okay, so that's important. Now, there is another thing on top of this, which is you can, if you want to, consider a marketing CRM. But I would not do that if you're a new advisor. I would do that later on. Now, marketing CRM is different. Now, marketing CRM that I recommend is Go High Level, GHL. It is the best one out there, in my opinion. It's the cheapest, it's the most efficient, it's the most effective. And a marketing CRM is designed for marketing. It's designed for customer journeys. It's designed for email marketing, automations, website hosting, social media scheduling, everything like that. So it's a marketing-based CRM. Now, interestingly, that is not what the networks are going to give you. Now, they'll tell you they will, because networks have and providers have this great way of pretending like, or saying to you that their thing does everything. They don't. Okay, they don't. They're not going to do this. They really don't. A marketing CRM is a very different situation. But I don't think it's needed. It's one of the things when I work with people as a coach, in the MBM system, my Mortgage Business Mastery system, we bring GHL in. We use GHL in the retention side of things, and it's great. But most of the clients I take on, when I take them on, they're not using that. And these people would be writing £60,000 to £100,000 a year before they ever come and work with me. So if you're a brand new advisor, you don't need to worry about marketing CRMs either, in my opinion, because social media marketing, everything, you can do it all yourself manually. You should be doing it. So don't worry about that either. Now, you are going to get people who are going to try and sell you them and tell you that if you don't have it, you're a failure and you're not going to be successful and blah. And you see it everywhere, blah, blah, blah. I don't like that. It's a load of rubbish. People are trying to just sell you a bill of goods. Use what you got. Be happy with what you got. You'll be absolutely fine. At the end of the day, if it allows you to source and upload a case compliantly, you're okay. That's your CRM system. There is no magic silver bullet. And I think if you go down that route, you're going to get yourself in a massive mess of FOMO, only to really end up with the same result, which is it doesn't really matter. Because what really matters is that you actually stand out, that people come to you and that you generate business because you're the go-to mortgage advisor. That's what matters the most. And if you want to know how you can do that as a brand new advisor coming into this space, then you want to check out this video on screen that I talk about that in more depth. That's the video I did recently on it. You'll love it. Give it a check out. And also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to answer them. I'll see you in the next.